In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on your Toyota RAV4. Replacing this filter regularly helps keep the air inside your car fresh and clean. Start by opening the passenger side door and locating the glove box. Empty it out and gently open it fully. You'll notice the glove box is held by stops on the sides. Press in on the sides to release the stops and lower the glove box completely. Behind the glove box, you'll see the cabin air filter cover. Press the tabs on both sides to remove the cover. Pull out the old cabin air filter carefully. Don't let dust spill everywhere. Take note of the airflow direction printed on the filter so you can install the new one correctly. Slide the new filter in, making sure the arrows point the right way. Snap the cover back on, lift the glove box, and press the sides back in to secure it. If this video helped you change your RAV4's cabin air filter, please like and subscribe for more easy car care tips. Thanks for watching.